Little change up. Now we're on red on the Gold Forgiatos. Kia Stinger. Coast to coast. Something about that big floating F. Never mad when this Genesis comes by. 6's. Another XL floating F Forgiato.
Alright, y'all. Y'all know about big hubs. Here you go. Big hub D's, baby. Super clean dunk. Woo! Woo! Wow! Here you go. That squat, that stance, killing it. Super clean car, guys. Beautiful car. Woo, guys, I'm telling you, you probably seen it on the street, but you ain't seen it in person. This car is bad. With that wrap, that color, Audi, 6's Forgiatos, with the yellow brakes. You see the blood F? Oh, y'all gotta step your game up, man. Something different. Be creative, guys, be creative. Be creative. Start something new. With the yellow calipers, big brakes, man. Y'all know about Audis. It's the real deal, man. It's the S-Line. Ain't no Mickey Mouse right here. It's the real deal. Gorgeous car. Whee!
You already know the best is the business, man. Coast to coast, they always take care of me. They treat me like a player every time I come through, man. It's all love. Jason Journey, love, man. Show forever.
Appreciate you, fam.
Got the massive frost, fully forged, fully brushed with the Benz floating caps on the S580. Coast to coast customs, always doing something. BMW X1, the MRR wheels. 22's, all brushed, full plate. Coast to coast customs. Then we got the Buick, the Daytons with true Vogues, 20's, clean, classy.
Man, when it rains, it pours. 26-inch big cap Range Rover monoblock. Velar sitting on 6's. Ooh, this sits perfect. No rubbing, no scrubbing. Says it sits perfect on this vehicle. 26's. Appreciate my customers coming far. Come check me out. Whee! There you go.
V8. Ooh, mean machine. Coming soon, coming soon. Nope, Claude's gonna feel the power. He says, I'm gone. That's it, we're ready. 26's on the Velar, Madison Frost, 6's black machine with those Range Rover floating caps. Sitting beefy. Just landed. Now they're already sold. But someone's got something coming. 28-inch new Ford Giados just touched down. XL floating caps. These are 28-inch high offset, ready to go on all those cars. Camaros. 28-inch new Ford Giados just touched down. Mean. You guys were asking for videos of all four wheels. This is the $600 deal right here. The Asantis for $600. Wheels and tires, $600. 5 and 120. 3-piece wheels. Just the lips are worth more. Just the caps are damn near worth $600. You guys wanted the videos of all these. The 22's, clean set. Clean set. Little marks, nothing major. Got the floating XL caps. 5 and 112, fit the Benz. Fit the Audi, BMW. We could drill it for other cars. Here's the whole set right here. Brush center chrome lip Ford Giados. $3,500. Deal. Here's the 24's on an Escalade. They were on an Escalade, big floating cap. They got all Nexen tires, good condition, whole set. 24-inch, we got new caps, don't worry about that. Need to be cleaned up. Good looking tires. 5 4/4. G-body, Range Rover. Need a little bit of work, but definitely a deal. 26's Ferraris, big XL floating caps, mint condition. Tires are all great condition, matching. All this comes off, gets cleaned up. Easy.